Hi friends, it's me, Brian. I'm glad to see so many people were curious on how I built my center console. Let's get into it. The first major step is to remove the existing cup holder and parking brake. I ended up using 1/2-inch thick reclaimed wood that I had laying around my garage. The box is roughly 20 inches long, 14 inches high, and 10 inches wide. This provides a very nice snug fit between the seats and long enough to fit your entire arm on. The cup holders were a little trickier. First, I wanted to make sure my Nalgene would fit in here, so after measuring that at about 3.5 inches, I decided to make a 4-inch hole. I used a 3.5-inch PVC that is also about 3 inches long, and the outer diameter ended up being 4 inches, so it made for a very nice snug fit. And to secure the bottom, I used a plastic sewer grate. This 3-inch brass hinge here allows me to open and close the lid. Now, going inside, as you can see, I don't really have a whole lot in there. I know I called it my junk drawer, and to be honest, kind of cleaned it out a little bit, threw some more things away. So now the only things that live in here full time are some books, some maps, my dude wipes, duct tape, and a few other miscellaneous things. So I went with this lovely Aztec fleece wrap that I found at Hobby Lobby. I basically cut it into pieces and then used upholstery tacks to stretch and tack it into place. So that about does it. It's pretty easy to construct, just build a box basically. All in all, I believe it only cost me right under $40 for the fabric, for the PVC, and some hardware. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments or find me on Instagram. If you have a different type of design that you'd like to share with me, please do, because I would love to share that with everybody else.